Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is load up the Tonkeeper app wallet, which I've done on my phone at the minute. And then in the top right hand corner, you have the settings or the gear icon if you just select that. And then directly underneath wallet, you have the word backup. So this is where we're going to actually set up the backup. So if you just select that. So here I've done my last backup was on June 19th, 2024. Okay, so here we're now going to select manual backup on. Okay, and then this pop-up will appear. So we just want to read this carefully to make sure that you're happy to continue. So never enter your recovery phrase any other place other than on the Tonkeeper to access your wallet. Tonkeeper support never asks for a recovery phrase, and everybody with your recovery phrase will have access to your wallet. So make sure you keep this very safe. Okay, so if we're happy to continue, just press continue. It probably will ask you for a passcode. Mine does my Face ID. So at this point, it will now show your recovery phrase. I've obviously blurred mine out because that is for security. You need to keep this very safe and not tell anybody. Okay, and then what we're going to next do is check backup at the bottom. Okay, and then just insert your backup recovery phrases in the relevant boxes that it's asking. So I'm just going to do this now. Okay, and then once you've actually put that in, then your backup will have manually been set. So as you can see now, it's then updated to June 27th, 14:55, which is the current time at the moment. So that is how to manually back up your Tonkeeper wallet.